1. G Phantom 3 Standard Quadcopter Drone. Meet the Phantom 3 Standard, the most accessible intelligent flying camera ever built. Easy to fly and engineered to let everyone take to the sky, now you have the power of flight. 2. Contexo F-18 Advanced GPS-Assisted RC Quadcopter. Take to the skies with confidence using the brand new F-18 GPS drone from Contexo. This F-18 drone has all the latest drone technology that makes it easy to fly and gives the pilot full control. 3. Genius CDF Follow Drone Portable Quadcopter Drone. It is the first drone equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 801, 4-core CPU, 13MP camera, GPS/sonar positioning system. 4. Hotel Robotics X-Star Premium Drone. The X-Star Premium is a sophisticated, yet amazingly easy-to-fly quadcopter designed for superb aerial imagery. 5. A Pair 1 Drone. Features 7-inch FPV screen remote controller, FPV real-time video, and 2.7K camera with perfect Full HD. 6. Contexo F-17 Plus RZ Quadcopter Photography Drone. This F-17 drone has all the latest drone technology that makes it easy to fly and gives the pilot full control. 7. Holy Stone HS-100 FPV-RZ Drone. The drone can automatically follow you along in the air if under Follow Me mode, which keeps the camera centered on you at all times, capturing your every move. 8. Hobson H501 SX4 Drone. Fly like a veteran, whether you be a novice or expert flyer. Initiate in expert mode for more sensitive transmitter and drone response. 9. G-Mavic Pro Quadcopter Drone. The G-Mavic Pro folds down as small as a bottle of water, making it small enough to bring with you everywhere. 10. Swagdrone Swagdrone 210 Up. The 210 Up features a high-quality 700 TVL camera with a 120 degrees field of view, allowing you to see pictures with crystal clear quality. For more detailed information, check the link below.